Today we're going to learn how to make your very own scary slime. Isn't that cool? For this experiment you're going to need 2 bowls, 1 teaspoon of borax, half a cup of PVA glue, a spoon, half a cup of water, another cup of water, green food dye and a Ziploc bag. What you need to do first is mix your teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of water. Use the spoon to stir the mixture until all of the borax is completely dissolved into the water. Keep on stirring. Then you need to get half a cup of water into your bowl. Add the green food dye. Get it right in there, enough to make it a really cool colour. And then add the PVA glue. Stir the glue into the water and the food dye mixture until it starts to swirl and you get a thick, gooey paste. You'll see that the colour is completely mixed in with all of the glue and the water. Then you take your borax mixture and mix it into the glue mixture. You'll see that it very quickly starts to thicken. Use the spoon to continue stirring the mixture until it gets thick enough to use your hands. Then use your hands to pull all the separate strands of goo out and separate it from the water using your second bowl. At this point, it should be really slimy and gooey. Disgusting! Make sure you get as much of the mixture separated from the water as possible. Did you know the PVA glue in the scary slime is called a polymer? When a polymer mixes with the sodium borate, or borax, they combine to produce one giant new molecule. This new compound is able to absorb huge amounts of water, which creates the slime. The first kind of slime was invented by accident in the year 1043 by James White, while searching for an alternative way to make rubber. Isn't that crazy? Take your Ziploc bag and very carefully pour what's left of the slime into the bag. Seal up the top of the bag. This will stop from making a mess. And then you can see your scary slime mixture.